Everyone wants to look like a model, bro. But the real change isn't throwing money at expensive creams. It's building consistent habits that make you look attractive without so much effort. That's why here you have 40 tips to get to another level. Let's start. Tip number 1. Drink water first thing in the morning. Your body loses water during the night, and hydration immediately increases metabolism, skin hydration, and mental clarity. As soon as you wake up, grab a glass of water, at least half a liter, and drink it. While you sleep, your body dehydrates through sweating and breathing, leaving you dry. This speeds up your metabolism, burns more calories, and wakes up your mind to start strong. Your skin looks softer, less wrinkled, and with a natural glow that doesn't need filters. Tip number 2. Get a haircut that matches your face shape. The right style improves bone structure and makes you look more attractive instantly. Find a barber who knows and ask for a cut that highlights your face. If it's round, something short on the sides and long on top lengthens it. If it's square, a textured cut softens the angles. A good cut enhances your features and makes you look more attractive right away. Keep it fresh every 3 or 4 weeks. Tip number 3. Shape your eyebrows properly. They immediately improve facial symmetry and your overall appearance. Well-kept eyebrows frame your face and give you a clean look. Use tweezers to remove stray hairs, but don't overdo it so you don't look strange. If you don't know how, go to a professional once and learn. Neat eyebrows give symmetry and make you look more polished instantly. Tip number 4. Use a facial cleanser, not a bar of soap. Bar soap is too aggressive for your face. Use a gentle facial cleanser for your skin type to avoid acne and dryness. Bar soap dries out your face and clogs pores, causing pimples. A gentle facial cleanser, depending on whether your skin is oily or dry, cleans without ruining it. Use it morning and night to keep skin clean and fresh. Avoid acne and have a clearer face in days. Tip number 5. Sleep at least 7 hours per night. This is when your body repairs itself. Little sleep looks like dull skin, dark circles, and low energy. Sleeping too little makes you look dead. 7 hours minimum allows your body to regenerate skin and muscles. Avoid dark circles, dull skin, and that tired face. Go to bed at a set hour and avoid screens before sleeping. In weeks, your face and energy change. Tip 6. Fix your posture. Stand straight with shoulders back. Instantly, it makes you look taller, more confident, and more attractive. Slouch and you look weak. Stand straight, shoulders back, chest out, and you look taller and more confident. Practice in front of the mirror. Use reminders during the day. Strengthen your back with simple exercises. In days, everyone will notice you walk like a boss. Tip 7. Chew equally on both sides. It's a little weird, but it helps balance your jawline and improves facial symmetry over time. Chewing only on one side unbalances your face. Alternate both sides when eating to strengthen the jaw evenly. It seems silly, but in months it improves facial symmetry. It also helps not to strain one side. Do it consciously and you'll see changes in your profile. Tip 8. Use an eye serum with caffeine. It reduces dark circles and puffiness, especially in the morning when your face is swollen. Dark circles make you look tired. A caffeine serum reduces swelling and lightens under the eyes. Apply it after washing your face with a gentle massage. Use it every morning and in weeks your eyes will look more alive and less dark. Tip 9. Brush and floss twice a day. Oral hygiene is crucial. A clean mouth and fresh breath improve your presence instantly. A dirty mouth is disgusting. Brush well top and bottom and use floss to remove trapped food. Do it morning and night without fail. Fresh breath and clean teeth make you more attractive and confident when talking to anyone. Tip 10. Exfoliate your lips and apply lip balm. Dry lips ruin your look. Keep them soft and clean. Dry or cracked lips are a disaster. Use a lip scrub or soft brush every week. Then apply balm. Choose one without a weird smell for daily use. Soft lips improve your smile and make you look more groomed in minutes. Tip 11. Groom your beard according to your face shape. The right style can make your face look more defined, narrower, and more masculine. A poorly trimmed beard makes you look messy. If your face is long, keep the beard short. If it's round, leave it longer on the sides. Trim it every week with scissors or clippers. A well-kept beard defines your jaw and gives you a tougher look. Tip 12. Learn to combine colors. Wearing clothes that match your skin tone makes you look more polished and intentional. Clothes with mismatched colors make you look sloppy. If your skin is light, wear dark tones. If it's darker, go with vibrant colors. Learn the basics. Black and white go with everything. Combine well and your look will be more elegant effortlessly. Tip 13. Iron your clothes. Wrinkled clothes ruin your style. Well-ironed clothes clean up your appearance. Wrinkled shirts scream disorder. Iron everything before wearing it, even a t-shirt. Use a steamer to do it quickly. Smooth clothes make you look like someone who takes their image seriously. Tip 14. Keep your shoes clean. Shoes are one of the first things people notice. Keep them fresh and in good condition. Dirty or worn-out shoes kill your look. Clean them weekly with a damp cloth or brush depending on the material. Use polish for leather and check that they're not broken. Impeccable shoes make everyone respect you. Tip 15. Shower daily and do it well. Clean your whole body, especially arms, head, back, armpits, and feet. Not showering or doing it halfway is disgusting. Use good soap, scrub armpits, feet, and back well, and rinse everything. Do it daily even if you don't sweat much. A clean body makes you feel powerful and ready for anything. Tip 16. Use a separate towel for your face. This reduces bacteria transfer and prevents acne. Using the same towel for body and face is a mistake. Bacteria transfer and cause pimples. Have a small towel just for your face. Change it every 2 days. This keeps skin clean and reduces acne risk quickly. Tip 17. Don't pop your pimples. Use topical treatments like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. Popping pimples leaves marks and scars. Use creams with benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid at night. Apply them to the pimple, not your whole face. In days, pimples dry up, and your skin looks clearer. Tip 18. Clean your phone screen daily. You touch your face often, and it can accumulate dirt, oil, and bacteria and other shit. Your phone is a nest that touches your face. Clean it daily with an alcohol wipe or disinfecting cloth. Do it before bed to avoid transferring bacteria. This prevents pimples and keeps your skin clearer. Tip 19. Change your pillowcase every 3 days. Your pillowcase accumulates oil, sweat, and dead skin. Change it every 3 days so you don't sleep on bacteria. Use cotton or silk, they're softer. This reduces pimples and makes your hair look cleaner faster. Tip 20. Exercise at least 3 times a week. Lifting weights or doing cardio improves your physique and gives you a more defined look. Training 3 times a week makes you stronger and more defined. Lift weights for muscle. Run to burn fat. Spend 45 minutes per session without excuses. In a month, your body looks firmer and your confidence goes up. Tip 21. Eat more protein. Lean meats, eggs, or legumes help build muscle and maintain healthy skin. Protein is key to looking strong. Eat chicken, fish, eggs, or beans at every meal. Aim for 1 gram per kilo of body weight daily. This repairs your muscles and makes your skin look firmer and clearer. Tip 22. Reduce sugar consumption. Too much sugar can cause inflammation and acne, dulling your skin. Sugar inflames and fills you with pimples. Cut sodas, sweets, and junk food. Eat fruit if you want something sweet, but don't overdo it. In weeks, your skin will be cleaner and less greasy. Tip 23. Trim your nails regularly. Clean, short nails reflect hygiene and attention to detail. Long, dirty nails are disgusting. Cut them weekly with clippers, leaving a short edge. Clean them well to avoid buildup. Well-groomed nails make you look like someone who takes their image seriously. Tip 24. Use quality deodorant. Avoid underarm odor to maintain an impeccable presence. Bad odor kills you. Use good deodorant. Better if it's antiperspirant after showering. Apply it well under both arms, not just one. This keeps you fresh all day and avoids embarrassment. Tip 25. Apply castor oil on your eyebrows. It stimulates growth and keeps them thick and defined. Castor oil thickens your eyebrows and makes them more marked. Apply with a cotton swab at night, 1 drop per brow. Wash it off in the morning. In a month, your eyebrows will look fuller and more defined. Tip 26. Avoid touching your face. Your hands transfer oils and bacteria that cause acne. Touching your face all the time fills you with pimples. Keep your hands away, especially if they're dirty. Wash them before any facial care. This reduces acne and keeps skin clearer in days. Tip 27. Drink green tea. Its antioxidants reduce inflammation and improve skin glow. Green tea is full of antioxidants that reduce inflammation and clean your skin. Drink a cup a day without sugar, preferably in the morning. Avoid drinking it at night so you don't lose sleep. In a month, your skin will look clearer and more alive. Tip 28. Keep your space clean. An orderly environment reinforces discipline and improves your mindset. A messy room makes you feel equally messy. Clean your space, organize your clothes, throw away trash. Do it weekly, even if only for 10 minutes. A clean place motivates you to take better care of yourself and projects discipline. Tip 29. Wear a classic watch. A good watch adds sophistication and completes your style. A decent watch elevates your look instantly. Choose a simple one in leather or metal, not too flashy. Wear it on important occasions or daily if you want. A good watch makes you look classy. Tip 30. Brush your hair daily. It stimulates the scalp and distributes natural oils for healthy hair. Brushing isn't just to look good. A soft brush stimulates the scalp and spreads natural oils. Do it every morning, about 10 strokes. This gives shine to your hair and prevents it from looking dry or dull. Tip 31. Avoid chronic stress. Stress produces cortisol that can cause acne and dull skin. Stress messes up your skin and makes you look tired. Do deep breathing or walk 10 minutes a day. Avoid fighting over nonsense or overworking. Less cortisol means fewer pimples and a fresher face. Tip 32. Wear clean socks daily. Prevents odor and keeps your feet fresh. Dirty socks stink and are disgusting. Change them every day. Use cotton so your feet breathe. Wash them well and don't repeat pairs. Fresh feet make you look and feel clean, and avoid embarrassing smells. Tip 33. Apply beard oil. It hydrates facial hair and the skin underneath, giving a healthy shine. Beard oil keeps hair soft and skin itch-free. Use 3 or 4 drops after showering. Massage well. Choose a discreet scent. In days, your beard will look shinier and healthier. Tip 34. Choose a fragrance for the occasion. Fresh fragrances for the day and intense ones for the night. A poorly chosen perfume makes you look out of place. Use fresh, light aromas for the day like citrus. For the night, something stronger like wood. Apply a little on neck and wrists. This makes you smell good and fit the moment. Tip 35. Stretch daily. It improves posture, reduces tension, and makes you look more relaxed. Stretching 5 minutes a day prevents you from looking stiff or hunched. Do simple exercises for neck, back, and legs. Do it when you wake up or before bed. A relaxed posture makes you look more confident and attractive. Tip 36. Clean your accessories like glasses or watches. Keeping them spotless reflects personal care. Dirty glasses or a grimy watch make you look sloppy. Clean them weekly with a soft cloth and lens or metal solution. It takes 2 minutes. Impeccable accessories show you care about everything. Tip 37. Rub an ice cube on your face for 30 seconds when you wake up. It reduces puffiness and tightens skin for a more defined look. Ice on the face reduces swelling and closes pores, giving you firmer skin. Do it after washing with gentle circular motions. Don't overdo it to avoid irritation. In days, your face looks sharper and fresher. Tip 38. Chew sugar-free gum alternating sides 20 minutes a day. It strengthens the jaw and improves facial symmetry. Gum trains your jaw muscles, making it more defined. Use sugar-free to protect teeth. Do it after eating, no more. In months, your profile looks tougher and more balanced. Tip 39. Put a thin layer of Vaseline on your eyelashes before sleeping. It lengthens and strengthens them, giving a more intense look. Vaseline hydrates and stimulates eyelash growth, making your eyes more striking. Apply carefully with a cotton swab. Wash it off in the morning. In weeks, your eyes will have more presence. Tip 40. Walk barefoot on grass for 10 minutes daily. It improves posture and connects you with a more natural vibe. Walking barefoot strengthens feet and corrects posture from the ground up. Do it in a clean park or at home. It relaxes your body and makes you look more confident. In a month, you'll walk with more presence. If you liked this video, subscribe and hit the like button. See you.